I worked in grocery stores, so that's and I worked in produce, so that I learned about the food system in that situation. I experienced it firsthand. I've thrown away probably tons of food in my life. It's fun to hang out with your friends. You're on a farm, you're in the middle of nowhere. They have a very thin line between being able to do what they do and not being able to do it anymore. There's a lot of chance to lose everything. Traditionally, most of the farms I work with and the farms of the cooperative deliver almost all their food to the Twin Cities. But we're located in Amory, and there's people here that don't have access to this food that we're growing. What's really challenging is for people that are outside of food production to understand what it really takes to do that, to create a system that can really provide healthy food is not an easy task. It's so important for us to build relationships with our own community.
For the past number of years now, there's been this sort of growing community in Amory, Wisconsin of farmers who want to grow organically and people who really are wanting to support them in doing that. This large building was purchased in downtown Amory to be the Amory Food Hub. Our vision is to provide opportunities for the local Amory community to really be connected to the land. We want people to eat better, eat real food. We want to provide a place where it's really a magnet for people to come and talk about these issues. There's really three main tenants at the building. There's Hungry Turtle Farm and Learning Center, Hungry Turtle Farmers Co-op, and then there's going to be Farm Table. There's also a Hungry Turtle Farm that provides us an opportunity to do a lot of hands-on classes. While we are three separate entities, we overlap in a number of ways, and where I can maybe provide educational opportunities to help create value in communities and a demand, the co-op then can step in and actually provide nutrient-rich food to restaurants who want to start to supply local organic options. We're creating a community around these concepts of good food and healthy living and land stewardship. We hope that this food hub provides a blueprint for how other communities could work.
We started hearing inklings about this new food hub that was going to be happening in Amory. We invited them to a Polk United meeting to share their story. Polk United is a coalition, kind of an overarching coalition, and we wanted to bring together everyone under an umbrella organization so that we could collaborate, share resources, and maximize our communication to get these efforts out to the residents of Polk County.
There's just an energy to being in a room with people that are really interested in and hopeful for building healthy community. That energy sort of just creates sort of momentum that allows me to then think of even more ways that I can, that the co-op can serve the community.
United really creates this sort of network for all of this to share, and we don't all have to have the exact same point of view on everything to be united, but we can be resources for one another, and I think it's really valuable.
I hope there's many more Hungry Turtle examples that come out of Polk United in terms of people sharing information about things that are happening in the community that relate to improving the health of Polk County residents.
Ultimately, all of the work is to make the lives of the people of Polk County better. Polk United will take the efforts that you are spending your time with, and it will multiply the opportunities through sharing what you're doing with other people.
That's why I do this work, so that we can come to a place that people are excited about living healthy lives and know what a healthy life looks like, and have the opportunities that allow them to have that healthy life.
We already have most of the solutions that we need. There is nothing that needs to be created. We're not lacking anything. I hope that people are starting to understand that the solutions are within themselves, within people they know, and around them.
Those resources are here. It's just maximizing them, and that's what Polk United can do.
This is exciting stuff. This is what makes it worth it. All are welcome that have a vision of wanting to make Polk County a healthier place. As many as that is, the more people we have that are passionate about this, the better.